It's Monday, so guess what that means? Another bundle drops, but this week it's not scrunchies. See you in a moment. Hey girl, hey, or hey boy, hey, and welcome back to OMG & Co., also known as OMG Scrunchie Club. For those of you that are new, welcome to the club. My name is Lamiel. I am the scrunchie creator, jewelry maker here at OMG & Co. And every week on Monday, we offer a special bundle that if you get in on this bundle, you get these items bundled together at a wonderful price. So this week's bundle, I'm actually wearing one of the items today. This week I decided to do a fringe earring bundle. Yes, fringe earring bundle. These earrings here are our faux leather earrings. Yes, alone these earrings are $26. So these are the fringe earrings. They come in two cuts, a wide cut and the regular cut, which is this cut here. So if you get in on the bundle this week, we have these lovely fringe earrings. So I'm doing 3 earrings in this bundle, or 3 fringe earrings in this bundle. Let's try on the next pair. The next earrings that are included in the bundle are these lightweight navy fringe earrings. I forgot to mention, the earrings are lightweight. I actually weigh my earrings to make sure that your ears are comfortable in wearing these earrings. So these are the navy blue. They're a lightweight chiffon. So very light, probably lightweight, probably light. I think they weigh less than an ounce. Not probably weigh less than an ounce, but I believe they weigh less than an ounce. I try to keep my earrings under an ounce. So these are the second pair, and the third pair of earrings that will be offered in the bundle. Let me put those on for you. These lovely pinstriped denim earrings are the third pair of earrings that will be added in this week's Monday bundle. So trying to think of a good price here. Each of these earrings sell for between $24 to $26. So you can get all 3 this week or until supplies are ran out. My English is not good this morning. My grammar is not correct, rather. Not my English, but my grammar. You can get in on this bundle while supplies last for the lucky price of, let's see, $50. So 3 pair of earrings for $50. I have a lot of customers that buy is a single pair for $26. So you save quite a bit of money. I don't feel like adding this morning. You save quite a bit of money by getting the bundle. So 3 pair of lovely OMG & Co. fringe earrings can be yours for $50. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the channel below. I'll leave some pictures of me in these earrings at the end of the video. But until then, I will see you next Monday, my friends. And I did say something about a Christmas lunch. I'm not even sure if I'm going to do one. Yeah, because a lot of things are going on around the scenes or behind the scenes here where I am, and I'm traveling out of town this week to do a surprise birthday party for my dad. He's turning 70 on the 22nd, and we're throwing him a surprise birthday party this Saturday. He doesn't watch my YouTube channel, so he has no clue what I'm talking about. And I'm working on a painting here, so my scrunchie studio has been turned into a paint studio for the moment. So if I don't get a chance to do a Christmas lunch, I will definitely be working on quarter one for next year. I already have some designs and things that I'm working on right now so that I can be ahead of schedule. I do have Christmas scrunchie fabric that I could do a lunch with, but I just feel like it's too late. But stay tuned, because I am still trying to get rid of some scrunchies as well as some fabric that has not been up for. So maybe I'll do that as my Christmas lunch or Black Friday special, Black Friday Cyber Monday sale. So be on the lookout for that. And until then, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.